guys, welcome back to another amazing video. I hope everyone is doing great and अपनी लाइफ में आप लोग कुछ ना कुछ प्रोडक्टिव कर रहे होंगे. So भाई, it's almost 1 in the afternoon and this is how the weather like seems like. It's really hot, guys. If you're like from Delhi or from like Delhi NCR, you find the weather to be very hot. Is the interesting part is we are going to we like placed a few orders for our car Hyundai Verna. So most of you, if you don't know, I own Hyundai Verna. So we ordered a few parts. This is the front splitter. So before I tell you, I ordered these parts from Chennai from one of my friend and specifically designed these parts for like for any car. So this is like the front splitter. It's made of fiber and these are the side skirts which I order for my car. So now, I mean, obviously I have to like get these painted first, and once the paint is done, we can like this is ready to install in the car. Really good quality, guys. It's really good quality. There's a mesh around it and I just personally love it and can't wait to install it. I have a few more like mods planned for my car. सब कुछ गाड़ी के अंदर है तो आपको नीचे चल के फटाफट से दिखाते हैं. Let me just show you how does my whip look like. I'm in it pretty much stock. I have like nothing installed in my car except the tents. So we have like planned a lot of mods for it, guys. So starting with, we are going to change the grills, the front and the bottom grill, which I've already purchased. It's back in my car and we're gonna replace that. We are also going to change the front bumper, guys. For some reasons I am not liking it. There's a lot of stone chippings on the car, and since we have that, so we are going to change it. We have the zoom lights installed in LEDs in the bottom projectors as well as the top projectors. We're gonna paint these alloy wheels into black. So for now, I really don't want to upgrade to the big size wheels. There are like many reasons, guys. I want to lower this car and I want to build this car like a performance based car rather than more like a show driven car. Like going to focus more on the stability rather than just, you know, going all over with everything. So we are gonna lower this car, we're gonna paint this. So it's already running on the Brembo brake pads, but as you can see, I just recently replaced the rotors as well because I personally don't like it. Today we are going to Hyundai. We are gonna just fix a few things. We have a marks on our car. The front bumper is gonna change, the grills, and yeah, pretty much it's born stock, guys. Let me just show you a few more things. We have a bunch of parts for my car. So this is like the turbo front grille, the bottom grille, and yeah, the most interesting, we also have this the BMW M style covers for the car, and we're gonna get it paint in black, the exact same color of the car, and we are gonna get it installed. Moreover, we are going to add an M4 style spoiler as well. Most important things, obviously, as I mentioned, it's gonna be a less of a cosmetic update but rather than a more of a performance upgrade. So we are going to install the full exhaust system in the car, custom exhaust, and I'm not decided yet that which exhaust I'm gonna go with. I'm going to replace the air filter as well, and yes, a tune gonna, you know, bring a lot of power to this car, and then we'll go to the car meets and see what guys have opinion about it. So let's go. We are going to the Hyundai. We're gonna give this car for some of the cosmetic changes first, like the painting the wheels black, replacing the grills. As I mentioned, there's a tons of scratches which I personally don't like it. You guys can see this Hyundai has a very bad quality, guys. Mind it, this part was painted before, so that is why it's like chipping off, but they'll just gonna fix that, and I think it's not gonna be a big problem for us. Let's go. So we are inside. Let's quickly start the car. So अभी we are going to the Hyundai. वहाँ चल के guys कार 1 या 2 दिनों के लिए शायद में भी देनी पड़े because the paint works actually takes a few days. We have like a tons of mod guys planned for this car, so stay tuned. Please like, subscribe to this channel, and we are gonna bring more and more updates and daily vlogs for you. So guys, stay tuned. फटाफट चलते हैं guys.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we
So we have finally left. मिलते हैं आपको सीधा Hyundai की वर्कशॉप में.
Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.
Finally we have reached Lamba Hyundai. Oh, it's damn full. देखते हैं बाकी guys बात करके. Hey guys, so I couldn't really record whatever the discussion we had in the like with the body shop manager and everything, but yeah, I had to collect my car today. There are a few things I did install, whatever like I've get it done through Hyundai, so I'm gonna tell you about it. We changed the front bumper, the front grille, you know, also added a lip spoiler at the back, and have added the mirror covers as well. So yeah, that's the most I was able to fix that. So I'm gonna show you the car from like the outside, how does it look like and all. There are a few more things which we are going to, you know, add on to the cosmetic changes, but yeah, that's so far everything looks really great. Also, so it's like my car has been there for almost more than a week. So they really did took good care of. I'm just quickly going out for a car wash. I'll get the car wash done, and then I'll show you like the complete overview. So before I show you the car from outside, let me just quickly get it washed, and maybe I can show you how I get my car washed. I mean, it's just a normal procedure, just a good foam wash, but yeah. So guys, the car wash is done. Here's a sneak peek to the side mirror guys. It's like really look nice. Just, you know, add a good stance to the car. So going back home, and then I'm gonna give you like the complete overview of how the car looks like. Let's just quickly get back to home. I live in Greater Noida. I mean, just love this place, especially because of all the greenery around. Less traffic, of course, but yeah, whenever, you know, I work in Gurgaon, so it just sometimes really hectic to, you know, travel from one place to another. But yeah, things are okay. So here's the final look guys. This is how it like came out. So we got this new front grille installed, and like the front bumpers has changed, the rear the front fender, I mean, we did got some chips here, so they replaced it. And yeah guys, the paint work has been great. I mean, the color totally matches. Additionally, I have like wrapped the logos. We have installed the, you know, it's like made of fiber, so I've get these as well painted with the fenders and everything. I hope you like, some of you might have a mixed opinion about it, but yes guys, I personally really liked it. I mean, the stance, it looks really nice guys. Two more things, yeah, had to get the ceramic coating done as well, again because of the new parts been, you know, painted and everything. We have added this new rear spoiler, at the back. Big shout out to the Mind Auto Mods team, which helped me shipping this product. This is how it looks like. I mean, just trying to show you from different angles. It really goes with the rear trunk, guys, because Verna, that it has more like a coupe shape from the behind. It's totally killing it. And yes, I removed the badges for the SX and Verna written on it. I just like it quite subtle. Other than that, the real logo is all blacked out. So I hope you guys like the stance. Do comment, like and share. Let me know your thoughts about it, because the more you're going to share your thoughts, I'm gonna be better at it, come out with a few more mods around it. This is the most we have done right now. And further, I think I'm gonna go with painting those wheels black. I'm gonna completely black out. Yeah. And another thing, I think we are going to wrap this black roof with the carbon fiber wrap. I'm just gonna try out maybe the side mirrors. I'm not really sure about the side mirrors, but yeah, just the roof and this chrome part. I mean, it's look good. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but yeah, this is what it is, guys. I'm gonna just try that out. We also changed the number plates. I mean, these number plates are without the gap, so it just looks more concise and good. Please do like, share and comment on the video. You can go and check out my old video as well. I was at the Good International Circuit. There has been a great event been planned over there. Lots of tuned and highly modified cars were there. We had the drifting sessions, the drag races, as well as the time lapse, so please do check that out. So hope you guys have liked it, and do like, comment and share, and please subscribe to the channel, guys. This would be really appreciated. Thank you.